Meghalaya Chief Minister CONRAD Sangma visited the construction site of the upcoming Secretariat building at Umsauli in the new Shillong township. He was accompanied by officials from the Department of Planning and Urban Affairs. The project, which is being developed at a cost of Rs 1,188 crore, is slated for completion by mid-2027. Authorities informed that construction is underway in full swing, with the foundation having been laid on the 21st of January 2025. The Chief Minister also noted that the building's design reflects a blend of sustainability, cultural elements and modern architectural principles. He expressed confidence that the new Secretariat would serve as a cornerstone for efficient administration and play a significant role in easing congestion in Shillong city.
Oh, wow. Wow.
So, Wo depression is also our land, basically.
Right. That is where we earmarked for the sports stadium and all.
Right. So now, anyways, this is the story.
That side.
Yeah, that's right.
We are here right now. We are here.
Yeah, we are here. Right.
So this is the first ring. The second ring
Yes.
is block 2, block AB.
This one in the foreground. Is this one. See.
Whatever tree it is, but if it's in the uniform kind of a
Face
way,
also.
yes, then it will be very good.
Right.
So we can do that. That also coming fast.